Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Delta Force mobile login problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're stuck on the login screen, getting an error, or you simply can't sign in, then this guide is for you. To get started, first make sure that your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue goes away. You can also restart your router if needed because a weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons behind login failures in mobile games. Once you've checked your connection, the next thing you need to do is make sure your app is up to date. Open your App Store and search for Delta Force. When you find the app, tap on it, and if you see Update instead of Open, go ahead and tap Update and let your application update to the latest version. Outdated versions often have login bugs and compatibility issues that get fixed in updates. After updating the app, go ahead and restart your phone. A quick reboot can clear background glitches or minor system errors that may be interfering with the login process. If the problem still continues, then you'll need to reinstall the app. Go back to your home screen, long press on the Delta Force app, tap on Remove App, then Delete App and confirm it. Once it's deleted, open your App Store again and reinstall the app fresh. After reinstalling, open it up and try logging in again to see if the issue is resolved. If it still isn't working, then the problem might not be on your end at all. It's possible that the Delta Force mobile servers are down for maintenance or facing temporary issues. In that case, check their official Twitter or Discord channels for any announcements regarding server downtime or updates. And that's it, guys. By following these steps, your login issue with Delta Force Mobile should be fixed. So that basically how you can fix Delta Force mobile login problem. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.